In this video, I would like to show how to create the accounts for the students and for the parents if there are any kind of the adjustments. So first of all, we need to go to the settings, and then we have here students with the usernames and without. So we have student Rain Sandy without username. If you have the same problems, so first of all, you need to create the account. So we have here the account button. So we need to click the account. And if you click here, you will see that the account is with the empty space of the email without any kind of usernames. So we need to create account here. So click the create account and it will ask you to confirm. And then you will see the username, Rain Sandy, and you also can change the username. So for example, I will say student only, for example. Let's change it. So it will be also changed here for the username. And if you have the email of the student, you can enter the email of the student. Let me just write here sample. And if needed, you can send the password to the email. So to this email, the password will be sent. And if you click OK, then the email will be sent automatically. And you also can ask the student to check their email inbox and after that set up the password. But the username will be the one that you can see here. In our case, is student. For the parents, you can check the list of the parents as well. For example, you can click here. And we have here one parent only with the email and the first name, last name. So in order to add another parents, let's say parent 1, last name, and email, let's say sample 2. So we have the second parent, and we need to save the changes now. And if we save the changes, then we can send the password to parents. So if we click the send password to parents, you also will see that we have here two parents with the emails and the third one without email. So that's why the first name and the last name, they are crossed. So in order to fix that one, you need to add the email first. Let's add the email. Let's say sample 3 and parent 2, last name. And now if you go to the send passwords to the parents, it will be showing you the Rain Sandy with the sample3 gmail.com. It's the father's, in this case, the email. And there's another option. So you can go to the legal guardian section here, the column, and here you can see the button to add some notes. So to edit the card of the student. So we have here Grammy call, and we edit here the father's details. We also can add the mother details. So mother, as you see now, we have the father and mother as well. So we can add others. So we have here another options as well for the legal guardian, or parent, or grandparent, sibling, step-parent, or other as well. And you can add here another details. So to delete, it's easy to delete. Just click the delete parent. And for mother, same, delete the parent. So for father, if you delete the parent from the student, the last one, then it will see that it delete the parent unlinked. So now we don't have in the system this parent. So if you want to save the changes, you need to click the save the changes. If you don't want to save, then discard. In this video, we covered how to create the accounts for the students and for the parents and make the changes with the emails, and also adjust the usernames of the students.